In this video, I am going to show you how to create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So to create subdomain in Hostinger, at first we need to log into our Hostinger Hpanel. Now here on the Hostinger Hpanel, you will see your hosting tab, and under it you will see your current web hosting plan. Next to it you will see a manage button. Just click on it. And now from the top we are going to select our domain name, for which we are going to create the subdomain. After that, from the left menu we are going to click on domains, and then we will click on subdomains. And here you will see all the subdomains that you have already created. And now we are going to create a new subdomain. So to create a new subdomain, at first we are going to give it a name. After that, if you want to create custom folder for your subdomain, then you can check this checkbox. And after that, you can add your custom folder name here and then click on create. And as you can see that our subdomain is now created in Hostinger. And now we are going to install WordPress on our subdomain. So let's see how we can do it. Now to install WordPress on our subdomain, from the left menu we are going to click on WordPress, and after that we are going to select overview from here. Now from the top we are going to select our subdomain that we have just created. Now to install WordPress on our subdomain, we are going to click on install button. Now at first we are going to give our website a name, and after that we are going to add our administrator email. Then we are going to add our administrator username and then administrator password. Please note that this administrator username and password will be used later on to access your WordPress website dashboard. So please save it in a document so that you can access it later on. And after that we are going to click on advanced. Now from here you can select your installation path if you want. If your subdomain is not selected, then you can select it from here. And after that just click on next. Now you can select the WordPress version from the top, but I will highly recommend you to go with the latest version, which is 6.3. Now you can select your WordPress website language, and after that you can click on install button, and in this way WordPress will be installed on your subdomain. So this is how you can create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.